Hey YouTube, so I turned off my location device. As you can see, I'm at a QT. The letters might not be showing up very well right there. And I'm not in my truck. So I'm headed home. Uh, as I said in my last video, my mom's not doing very well. So I came back towards Texas. Got in Texas actually a few days ago and can't get this propped up right, so I guess I'll just hold it. But couldn't get over to the house until about basically just now. I went over to Temple and was running out of that Walmart for a day because Temple got me from Houston, because the load that I took went down to Houston, as you guys can see on APRS. So I went from Houston to Temple, and then Temple sent me from there all the way straight down to Mission, Texas. All the way down there, far, far south of the Texas border, Mexico-Texas border. And then went back up to Temple, grabbed another load, went to Odessa, and then back to Temple. And then went from Temple to Cleburne, Texas. Ran for that Walmart and met some good friends I have over there. Some awesome people over in that office and that location in general. I like working out of there. So I went there, did one load, and they sent me to Abilene. Not quite as far as Odessa, but same general direction. Got done with that load and just got up to Denton, Texas. As you can see, it's kind of dark out. I will probably have this uploaded tonight or tomorrow morning or something like that. Now on my way home, I did order some packages, so I don't know when they will come in or not, but if they are in, I got some more content coming for you guys. It's gonna be pretty cool. But don't know, we'll see. I do have a review I'm going to be doing on some pots and pans that I bought from my New Wave. I've used them quite a few times now, and so I can say with some pretty good certainty what I like and what I don't like about them. And so that's going to be coming out. And I also bought some another item for the truck. I'm picking that up today or tomorrow. Same thing. And so I'm going to start using that, and then I'll review that as well. I don't like doing a review right offhand about something without using it, because I've found that some of you guys are buying what I'm recommending or what I advertise, even though I'm not paid for it. It's kind of funny how that works. But I want to make sure that if I say, yeah, this is cool or this is good, that it's good for you guys and it's useful. The other thing, I am going to be doing probably a better video later, but I did get Patreon. If you guys can donate a little bit, YouTube pulled out my ability to make the few dollars I was making on YouTube. And yeah, my channel is growing, so maybe I could re-advertise with YouTube. But I decided to set up Patreon. If I got, people that, do that, that'd be great. One of the things I would like to do, I want to buy some land this year, maybe next year, something. I'm looking at land now. And if I get Patreon supporters, one really cool thing I would like to do is invite you guys, my subscribers, and of course my Patreon guys, to come out and have a Texas style barbecue. Some barbecue, can't go wrong with barbecue. Shoot some guns, have some fun. Have some fun. I kind of stuttered on my words there. And it would be, I think, a lot of cool. And yeah. And if I have land, it doesn't matter if you come in your truck or not. So, I will buy land. Patreon is not going to get me there. But it will help. Anyway, I do want to reach out to you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. And most of all, thank you for commenting and following me on my journey from being in debt to not being in debt anymore. Oh, by the way, I'm out of debt now. Ha! All my bills are paid. I was in debt. I don't know if I said it before or not, but if I did, it was in an old video. I was in debt like $30,000, $40,000. And with smart planning and Swift money and me selling off some equipment that I had, I got out of debt. So I ran my credit card up this month, but I can pay that off this month, okay? And we'll talk about credit card use later, on how to build good credit with credit cards in the trucking business. So that would be a future video where I give some tips on that, along with how to get free food by using your credit card. So yeah, there's some tips and tricks there. I just need to get around to doing that video. But 6 minutes in, I'm sitting here waiting for a ride. So I just thought I'd do a quick video, kind of like, yo! So, you know what? That's going to be the end of this one. Thank you for, watching my videos. I'm kind of surprised there's as many subs as there is. But you know what? Thank you. I appreciate it. Not the best view.